So one problem our clients face is how to gain access to contaminations that may be beneath buildings or other surface infrastructure, such as roadways, railways, landfills, or even bodies of water, where conventional vertical drilling can't access those locations. So we can use horizontal directional drilling to access those locations and install horizontal wells for many different remedial applications. Horizontal wells can be used for chemical injection, for air sparge and SVE. Subslab vapor extraction is a great application for horizontal wells to be able to get under a building without actually doing any type of work inside the building. And also groundwater extraction is a great application for dewatering large areas. A horizontal well installed with horizontal directional drilling can be installed in a couple different ways. A horizontal directional drill rig is used to conduct a boring at a shallow angle. Horizontal directional drilling is steerable. It can navigate to a target elevation. Horizontal wells can then be installed into the boring, either single-ended or double-ended for different applications and different scenarios. Basically, they can be customized to fit your site's needs and to fit your entry and exit areas.